Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get gold dragon fruit and grow a garden too for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you my dragon fruit, but it's still growing. I still need 32 minutes to wait for this dragon fruit. Okay, and this is how it looks like. And then guys, how can we get the dragon fruit? The gold dragon fruit. Basically, we can get the gold seed from the Midas event. When the Midas event comes to the game, make sure that you're online so you will be able to claim free gold seeds. And the event comes randomly, so I cannot predict when the event happens, guys. But just stay in the game, and after you claim the gold seeds, you can immediately plant it in your garden. And this seed will be so random. It can be pineapple, it can be dragon fruit, it can be tomato, but they are golds. So I think it's more valuable than the original seeds. Okay, so just join the Midas event and grow a garden, claim the gold seeds, and if you're lucky, you will get dragon fruit, the gold dragon fruit. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the gold dragon fruit and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.